But this part is not edible, so and it's too fibrous also. So you just want the
leafy part.
The leafy part of it, yeah. The leaf part contains here the oils, so that's why it actually gives all the fragrance.
Wow.
For my grandma, she will use wet ingredients, like for example turmeric. It's you know, for the olden days they do not have the convenience of using dried or powdered ingredients. So what they do is they will use all these wet ingredients like turmeric, galangal and all that. They will just puree it up and just reduce it down. You know, you just caramelize it to make it to a rempah. Like for myself is I like it a bit quick, and what I do is I just use powder instead. Yeah.
So how do you gauge like how much herbs you need to use for nasi ulam?
To be honest, I have no idea. So my mom always says agak-agak.
Agak-agak.
It's typical Malay thing. Agak-agak. Everything you just, you know.
I'm gonna stuff this guy now. Some red dates and garlic, and a bit of the Sichuan Thai and salted cabbage, and then the rest will go in here.
So Lisa, is this pot your family heirloom?
I wish to say so, but apparently my family heirloom is already broken. So this is a new one that I'm giving my mom after I use it today. I'm just adding some shallot oil to it. My mom usually doesn't do this, but I'm very tempted because I have it now.
All the ulam, all the herbs, they have their own unique contribution to the dish. But I think the ginger torch itself has this nice fruity aroma, which elevates the whole dish, which I personally like.
Yeah,
It's just a,
cannot be replaced, right?
yeah. I mean, of course, lemongrass also is aromatic, but it's just that
It's not quite the same.
It's not quite the same, yes. So one of the reasons why we cut like thin is because you know, because this is
Can be quite fibrous, right?
fibrous, and also it's quite bitter if it's chunky. Basically what I've done here is a difference, okay? So for the side top part, and this is the bottom part, so it's more fibrous. If you see the fibrous part, there's the purple rings. Okay, this is where all the flavors are at. Okay. When you make nasi ulam, I tend to use the mid section of the lemongrass. Okay, that's where it's more how to put it. It's a lot softer lah, as compared to the bottom part. So it's more flavor, but it's more for rempah.
No, but if you try the middle, right, it's sweet.
It's sweet. It is.
Ah, yeah, the dot. That's why when the bitterness,
Yeah.
even if you get the sides for this part, right, the top part, it will still be bitter.
Yeah.
So this is the middle ground, so it's not so fibrous, but yet it has more flavor than this part.
So for 100% utilization, the top part normally just put for rice, for the stocks also. I use it for stocks also. So the bottom part is normally for like rempah. The mid one, if you want to make nasi ulam, it's perfect for spot or salads. My quick surrounding, a dry surrounding. So what I've done with it is I actually toast coconut, okay, till it's lightly brown. So toast a bit of heavy dried shrimps lah. So what it is, I bleach them up. So I put in a bit of coriander powder, cumin powder, touch of garlic, onion, and salt, sugar.
That's still a lot of things.
Oh yeah, and chili powder, just to give it a bit of kick. You can actually serve it cold, but normally for us Malays, we like things that's warm, especially rice, right? When you talk about rice, you also associate with warm food.
So for once, I'm not the one cooking fish porridge.
Actually, all my life I hated porridge.
Oh really?
All my life I hated porridge.
Why?
I don't know, I just thought it's like sick people food lah. And then why do you choose to cook fish porridge?
Because it was the first thing that my boyfriend ever cooked for me, and that was the day it changed my opinion.
Oh my gosh! I did not know that.
Yeah, so the reason why shimeji is inside is because okay, so the first time he made this for me was during staff meal, and then like staff meal we have to use all the scraps ma. Then both of my scraps are kubara fish trimmings and shimeji trimmings. So specifically, I always give him my trimmings that he'll make for me. Then spring onions was also my trimmings from my dish last time.
Oh nice.
Yeah, but it's all like pretty rustic, so I just like cut it like that. Usually the pieces that we use are very misshapen also lah. So it looks kind of like this when we actually make it. Oh, I've never seen a pot like that.
I throw the watercress in. Just let it sit inside. Yeah. I have this Java ginseng, which is very succulent.
The leaf is quite tender, but so fragrant.
Some balsam leaves.
I've never seen balsam leaf.
I have this fresh peppercorn. So I'll just add this guys in here. Vegetable oil. That's it. Grab your bowls. Do you know where the bowls are?
No. I have no idea what it was till like 1-2 years ago when I was in the garden with you. And then I tried this thing randomly, and then I realized that it tasted like tom yum. Like it had like nothing much to it, but it just tasted like tom yum. Then I didn't know how or where it grew. I just know it existed in our school. And then I really
Like
liked
rhyme.
Yeah. Like I used the pepperoni to replace the coriander that I would usually put in here.
That's it!